Hey everyone, Bill here with Millennium Sounds. Today we're here to show you the Vestaboard. Come on, let's check it out. So here's the Vestaboard. It's a smart messaging display and it gives you a throwback to the old train station look. So we're going to show you kind of how this mounts and where you get power and how it hooks up. So first, this cover just lifts off. And then on the inside, you're going to want to put a recept right in this space right here. It does come with a short power cord. There's also a hookup for a Ethernet jack so that you can hardwire or do Wi-Fi. So basically there's a flap on top that holds. So we're just going to lift up. And then as you can see, you're going to mount that plate to the wall, and then these hooks will just hang on the plate. So we're going to run through the Vestaboard app. First, we have our home screen here. And right here at the top, it's showing what's playing on our Vestaboard. Then we have today's picks, and you can scroll sideways to see more. And then you can also go to more. It drops you down to the different categories. If you go ahead and pick the category, then it gives you several options in literature. Artwork's pretty cool. You can go through here and check out all the artwork. And that takes you back to your favorites. You can also do drafts, picks. And then here, if you want to do add, here's where you can type in your own message. So as you can see, we can basically type in whatever we want here. And then if we wanted to send that, we can actually just hit send now. So I can hit send. Here at the top, it shows me that I sent that, and you can hear it changing. If we go here, this is the Vestaboard Plus. It gives you a ton of options so that you can coincide your Vestaboard with things that are going on, YouTube metrics, investing news. The list is super long. One of the cool things too on music, you can tie this into Sonos, and every time the song changes, it will display on your Vestaboard. You can do sports tickers, lifestyle, entertainment, business, education, news, weather, wellness, literature, seasonal, and TV and film. And again, you can scroll through and see more options for each category. Vestaboard has 132 characters. Those characters can be letters, numbers, symbols, and all colors of the rainbow. You can control it through your mobile device, tablet, computer, cloud app, Alexa, or Google Home. The Vestaboard also comes with a 2-year warranty. It's a great solution for hotels, real estate offices, schools, libraries, doctors' offices, but my favorite is your kitchen, your sports gaming area, or even your to-do list. Thanks for watching. Let us know in the comments what you think of the Vestaboard. Feel free to stop by our showroom for a demo. Make sure to follow us on our social media and subscribe to our YouTube channel.